Good morning, everybody. It is our first full day in Prague. We are just about to meet up downstairs and check out the square a bit, and then we have a food tour at 11:30. So it's the secret food tours like we had in Prague with Matt. So that'll be cool. And then I'm not sure what we're doing the rest of the day. I guess we'll see what happens. It's tourists everywhere. That behind us is our hotel. My room's like there. And this is a cool little courtyard that a lot of people seem to use. Did you hear the lady busking last night with the violin?
No.
Really? And then I don't know what that church is. And then through that little walkway is the main square. Alright, so it's like a 20-minute walk to where we're going to meet for this tour thing, and we have to leave here at 10:30. So, go explore and stay away from the hot wine. It tastes like shit. And this is what you come to when you come out of that walkway next to our hotel. Beautiful. Reckon, like, literally everywhere you look is stunning. Hey, yeah, it looks like a fairy tale castle. I need a coffee. Okay, so the astronomical clock is known as the second most disappointing tourist attraction in Europe, which is fun. Basically, it's the old town hall, and it was built in the 1300s, and a lot of tourists hang around it because there's a 30-second cuckoo clock kind of show that happens. I'm not really sure. Yeah. But this is Carolina, our secret food tour guide for the next couple of hours.
Welcome to Prague, the capital city of the Czech Republic. We call the heart of Europe, as it is right in the middle of Europe, and it's so easy for us to travel all around. So, you must be hungry, so just a quick history about this area, and then we run to eat. It used to be a butchery, but since some of these stores near to this one closed, they took their stuff and they started selling here as well. You can find everything. If you do live here and you need to buy something just very quickly, you can just come here and you will probably find it here, as they have like mix of stuff. What you're gonna taste is a hot dog, but not the American one. So we do not cut the bun and place the sausage inside. We make hole inside the bun.
What's it called?
Dill soup.
Dill soup.
But in Czech it would be Kulajda.
Did you say that's an egg in the middle?
Mm-hmm.
Really good gingerbread. I'm not a gingerbread fan. That's really nice, hey?
Czech Republic is divided into 3 regions. There is always like a contest or a little fight between those 2 cities. Prague is the capital city of Bohemia. Brno is the capital city of Moravia. So we do have a Czech artist. His name is David Černý. He is quite famous for this type of artwork. He made this show Who's Better. Of course, it's Prague. You want to say cheers, you say na zdraví.
Na zdraví.
So another word to teach you, thank you, is děkuji. There is a D and E with a hedgehog, so that makes it like softer. So it's yekui. Yekui.
Yekui. Like jacuzzi.
I like to call it. So you like grate potatoes, you mix them with a little bit of flour, eggs, margarine, and then you just fry it.
It's nice. It's like savoury and a little bit sour with the cabbage. So this is a really cool food tour. So you should definitely do a food tour whenever you go on holidays. Because it's like a walking tour and you learn about the history and eat the food as well. Except where are they? What's the story with the barcode freaky babies again? Stop buying.
Yes, because we spend too much money on like buying stuff we actually do not really need.
Cool. Stop consuming.
You can either get light beer, dark beer, or a mixed, which is like a light and dark together. We have to place the glass left on the table, because that meant that we drink all together. If you place it on the table, that means you drink with those who are not here anymore, and then you can finally drink and taste. This is a fried cheese and potatoes. This is a Czech goulash. This is svíčková. There is no very English word for it. It's like gravy for the Thanksgiving day. As we were talking, that we like pickled food. This is a pickled cheese.
Pickled cheese.
Pickled cheese.
Have you had the pickled cheese yet?
They would probably
Pickled cheese.
Prague ham.
Is this what they roast?
Yes, and it's very.
It's gonna film more, but it's quite a crowded pub.
Yeah.
It's a bit weird to be like, hello, just eating something.
There is a board with all the names. You can taste if you want to. They would give you a small spoon, so if there is something very specific or you want to taste.
What did you end up getting?
Mango and vanilla.
I just got Baccio and vanilla. A hazelnut chocolate.
There's a plate.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good. So, the food tour is finished. We did lots of things. We had a hot dog. We had potato pancake, which is really nice. We had dill soup with an egg in it. We had some pub snacks with the sort of dumplings. Oh, the gingerbread thing. So yeah, definitely food tours are the way to go, I reckon. Because you get like a little tour of the city, try some food, you meet some other tourists. So I've lost Mum again. I'm on Charles Bridge. Just paid a guy 750 crown for a handmade etching. Apparently he etches it on a zinc plate and then he makes about 200 copies of each one. So a bit of art for me today, a bit of art for Kimmy. It's been a good art day. So now I'm just gonna try and find Mum on this bloody bridge. This town is too photogenic. Just everywhere you step, every corner, it's some old cobblestone medieval street with beautiful architecture It's just amazing.
Oh, sorry.
Champagne. It was good. I don't know if it's worth $60. Alright, so we've come back to the hotel. I'm kind of in two minds of what to do. I kind of want to go out and explore, but I kind of just want to relax, so not sure. I might just put down this massive thing I've been lugging around ever since I got to Europe, and if I do decide to go out, I'll just leave the camera here, I think, and just kind of soak it all in and chill. So tomorrow we check out, and we've got a driver taking us to the train station at midday to catch a 12:40 train to Vienna, and then we've got a couple of hours in Vienna before we catch a sleeper train to Venice. So it's going to be goodbye Prague and hello Italia. So I shall see you in the morning. So I went to the post office to post a box home of souvenirs, and then I was trying to explain to the lady that it was fragile, that it had like glass stuff in it. So then I put it in Google Translate, the word for fragile, and she's looked at it and she's like, no, glass, no. So hopefully the package arrives and it's not smashed up. Alright, I'm going to go upstairs and buy some tickets. It's going to be worth it. It's going to cost 250 crowns. Can you see that? It is sublime. And now we are on the train to Vienna. We're here for 4 hours, so we're going to go leave our luggage here at the train station and go check out the city for a bit. Are you impressed? No. We've only been stuck in Hauptbahnhof in Vienna for like an hour, catching subways to and fro to be back where we started because there's some sort of problem with the line. So we're on the right line, but it kept like bouncing back here. It's hard to explain. But anyway, it's taken us an hour and we're still not out.